edition of Somerset Scoop, a production of Somerset County Recreation Parks and Tourism. 'Tis the season to be jolly, 'tis the season for the holidays, and 'tis the season for Christmas open houses. We've got a big one coming up on Friday in Crisfield. That is where we are today at Landon's Flowers, right off the highway. Kathy Crockett is here. Kathy, your Christmas open house is Friday. Give us all of the details.
Everything starts at 11 o'clock. It's 11 to 7. We have Santa Claus going to be here from 3 to 5. You know he's got plans, so he has to be gone here at 5. He's got a parade. We've got lots of goodies here. We've got specials. We're going to have 20% off all Christmas merchandise. We'd like to see you all come on down.
Beautiful place to do some decorating, a beautiful place to buy some gifts. Maybe you're looking for, I know that lots of folks love to have Christmas centerpieces. They love to have stuff for their holiday tables, and Landon's Flowers in Crisfield, they're a great place where you can go and pick those up. You can order them. On Friday, the Christmas open house starts at 11, goes until 7, and Santa will be here. Check out Landon's Flowers on Facebook. All the details are there, and we've got the information on our website too at visitsomerset.com. Make sure to pay Kathy and the crew at Landon's Flowers a visit when you come on down to Crisfield Friday, and they will be open before the parade, so come down a little bit early. Parade steps off at 6 o'clock from the library to the city dock, so come on down a little early, check out Santa Claus, buy some real good stuff for anyone on your Christmas list here at Landon's Flowers, and check them out on Facebook, right, Kathy?
Yep, check us out. We're there.
There we go. And great events that are happening this weekend in Somerset County. We'll give you the scoop. Thursday, Bay Gift Vault, Crisfield. They're having another holiday event. It is their customer appreciation event. Starts at 4, runs till 8. They are right there just steps away from the Crisfield City Dock, just a couple blocks away from where we are right now. They'll have food and beverages, specials, and giveaways. So check them out. Their annual customer appreciation event at the Bay Gift Vault. Friday, we're here now. Landon's Flowers, their Christmas open house, going from 11 to 7. Great deals, discounts, a beautiful store ready for you and the holidays, and Santa will be here at 3 p.m. Also on Friday, Princess Anne hosting their annual tree lighting. It's going to be a good time right there at the courthouse. They're going to have entertainment, refreshments, and a whole lot more. The Crisfield Christmas Parade kicks off Friday night at 6 o'clock. We mentioned it early. From the library to the city dock, a great place to view is anywhere on the highway. Marching bands, floats, even Santa Claus will be a part of the Crisfield Christmas Parade. On Saturday, we'll head to Marion Station and Butler's Farm Market. Day number 2 of their Christmas open house starts at 10 on Saturday. We've got live trees, live wreaths, all kinds of goodies for anyone on your list, and Santa will be there too, and the trolley will be running, so check them out at Butler's Farm Market. Somerset County Historical Society having their annual holiday house tour going on Saturday in Princess Anne and the surrounding communities. So definitely check that out. You can get up with them to see if there are any tickets left. And then Saturday night, we're going to be on the water in Crisfield for the Crisfield Boat Parade, the annual event. Going to take off at the Somerset County Marina around 5:30. Great places to view the boat parade include the Crisfield City Dock, anywhere on the water around the Somerset County Marina, even the bridge before the hospital. Okay, so check it out. They will end with their after party at the Crisfield American Legion. So there are a lot of events happening this weekend, a lot of ways where you can support and shop local, and a lot of events that will really get you in the holiday spirit. For all the events and more, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and X, and our website. That's visitsomerset.com. Pay a visit to Landon's Flowers, Christmas open house Friday, and have a great weekend here in Somerset County.